Huh? What do you mean? It's a Komet. Huh? Yeah, but I don't use it.
And launch!
Taxing out.
Come to the left of the rim.
Go ahead.
Low pass!
I don't even know where you are. There you are. Oh, you don't even have to call what you're doing to that thing. Here I'm expecting a big plane to go by, and it's this little UMX.
Low pass! Like on the runway, low pass.
Whoa! Mikey!
Shut up! On runway!
It's still flying. I flew through it. I wasn't trying to, it's just all of a sudden there's a plane there.
Right the wing! It's you waiting. Right behind you.
Yeah, I was on video. I feel bad, but I didn't even know he was there. Why was he?
We were all there. I was in early. I saw you guys coming close and I just like, oh god. Go fast!
Oh.
Looks good, right?
Looks all right. I don't think I'm even gonna have a scratch on it. Must have a bad servo.
I think he was coming pretty close too.
Well, he was.
Tail wheel touch. No, I can't do that.
No, it'll suck you down.
Whoa.
You okay? No, it's fine. I think he hit the little gun thing and it just destroyed it.
He went right through it. So fast.
Ah. Flies better with that one.
I was thinking it was like all over the place, but this thing actually flies well.
All right, I'm landing. Landing! On the runway. Who the fuck is calling? What's up, Jojo? It's alright. Okay.
I did not see you.
Which one is it? Yep. Okay. What was? Okay. I think there's still something here. Like a silver case. Or a little small black one. Yeah, I got it. I'm looking at it right now. For your T28. Yep, they're there. Yeah. Okay. Do you want me to put it in the one that everybody can open, or the other one?